Hello everyone. Well, it's raining out here again. I am in Willard Springs Road, just south of Flagstaff again. I went a little farther back on the road and I wanted to show you what the road looks like right now. The dirt road. Sorry, it's blurry. The rain is blurring my window. As you can see, it's flowing down. So it just started raining, about 15 minutes ago, 20 minutes ago. But that's what happens to the dirt roads around here. Puddle up there. I am expecting one of my new friends that I met this last winter. She should be showing up any day if she can get back here with her van. I had no problem, the road's a little bumpy, but Dennis and I, Dennis showed me, because he was camping back this far before, and so we came back here because we came on a weekend, last weekend, and up front was pretty packed. So now we're kind of isolated back here. I decided to stay here. We'll move if my friend doesn't want to come back this far, or because we can move up front, no problem. Now, yep, now we're really getting rain. So yeah, this is what it's like out here. I do like being in the woods. It's nice and quiet. And Dennis has his dog Jax. Yeah, he's adorable. He's getting more and more comfortable with me. Excited to see me in the mornings when he gets out of the van. Jumping all over me. I can even pick him up and put him on my lap now. So I am now an auntie to another dog out here. I love dogs, but right now, nope, don't want responsibility for a dog. So starting to think of when we're gonna leave here and head towards Quartzsite. Watching the weather. Don't want to go down there in the 100-degree weather. The heat, ugh, no. Even though I love the heat, I'm not going down there yet. So it'll probably be about another month before I head that way. Maybe go to Hippie Hole, who knows. I wonder if there's any water left there, since it's the Colorado River. But we'll see. So this is the next day after the rain, and I took that video from the van from inside, and this is the road that had the river running down it. There has been a truck that's come and gone through here, left the tracks. Yeah, this is what the road is like. A little bumpy in some places, but we got back here. So this is where I am, way towards the back of Willard Springs Road. Right there's Dennis. I'm waiting for them to get up and out because I want to show you little Jax. He gets so excited when he gets out of the van and comes running to me. Okay. And this is a little field of flowers. Look at all these little daisy things. I don't know what they're really called, but Let's see them. They're all over. With all this water, everything's popping up. There's plenty of room back here. Picked a very nice spot to be. Well, I've been waiting for Dennis and Jax to wake up, so they're awake now. So let's go find Jax. Jax! Come here, baby! Ooh.
Ow.
Ah! Oh. He always goes under there. Where are you now? Come here, Jax. Ooh. Come here.
He's not being cooperative. He knows you got a kid.
No, yeah, I know.
Usually he's a big pushover for the baby.
Oh, hi, sweetie. Come here. Come here. Come here. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. Did you calm down now, huh? Huh? Did you calm down? Come here. Come here. Say hello, Jax. Yeah.
I talked to the boy last night. The man teach me to bring in a receipt.
Jax. Say hi. Yeah, hi, sweetie. Yep, he's all calmed down now. All right, so I want to show you. This is Dennis. Say hi to Dennis.
Hi everybody, how y'all doing?
And his channel is Life Force Unleashed. So please go check him out. He's been a great friend and great camping companion. We get along great. So, but I just wanted to introduce you to him and go check out his channel, Life Force Unleashed. Okay. Thanks for watching.